This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter for Kare Kare. We'll start by gathering simple ingredients like roasted peanuts and a neutral oil. Then, I'll guide you through the easy steps using a food processor to create a rich, creamy, and fresh peanut butter that will elevate your traditional Filipino stew. It's a straightforward process that yields delicious results every time. First, if using raw peanuts, roast them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until fragrant. Let them cool completely. This is crucial for the best texture. Then, transfer the cooled peanuts to your food processor. Begin blending them, and you'll notice them breaking down into a coarse meal, then a thick paste. Keep processing until they start releasing their natural oils. As you continue blending, the peanuts will transform from a thick paste into a smoother, more liquid consistency as their natural oils are released. For an even creamier texture, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola oil. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the food processor every minute or so to ensure everything blends evenly. Once your peanut butter reaches your desired smoothness, add a small pinch of salt to enhance its rich, nutty flavor. Taste and adjust as needed. Transfer your freshly made peanut butter to an airtight container. For optimal freshness and taste, it's best to use this homemade peanut butter within about 1 week. Enjoy the delicious, authentic taste it brings to your Kare Kare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.